Hey everybody, Jeff Joyner coming to you from Glen Allen, Alaska. I'm in Alaska. I'm speaking at an event in Anchorage tomorrow, but decided to spend a few extra days out here. Went down and saw Exit Glacier at Kenai Fjords National Park. That was awesome. Today I wanted to go to Wrangell-St. Elias National Park, which is the largest national park in the country, 13 million acres. It's 8 times larger than Yellowstone National Park. It's enormous. But this time of year, it's October. The roads are closed. Ordinarily, you can drive. It's like a 60-mile gravel road. The rental car companies won't even let you drive on it. But the way to get in there is to fly. So I looked into flying into the park. Found out it's really expensive to do a flight scene tour, and you got to book 2 seats. But they do have. I'm here at Copper Valley Air Service, where they fly the mail twice a week up over the mountains to a little town called McCarthy. And so I'm going to be doing that today, delivering the mail to a remote town in Alaska. So I'm in here with Seth and Philip.
Fragile, that was dumb.
So this is unloading mail.
I'm just gonna pull this antifreeze up now. I'm getting sad about that. I think it's great. Yeah. I'm not gonna like stop drinking my coffee. I want to go
So this is the post office. Just all the locals come on by and get their stuff. So we stopped at a gold mining area. They just mine gold up here. This is part of the national park, but they've been grandfathered in because this gold mine has been here for like 100 years.
And I go, okay, it wasn't Monday.
Yeah, well, Philip knows all about Randy.
Yeah, that's Randy.
That does it for my trip to McCarthy to deliver the mail. That was really awesome. That was one of the coolest things I've ever done. Really glad I did it. I highly recommend it. Copper Valley Air Service, these guys were great. Very safe, very professional. They made sure I got a chance to see some really cool stuff. And so I highly recommend them, and I recommend this activity. Awesome time in Alaska.